Well, I have been very observant, and since my mentorship has been for 3 decades now, 3 decades से यही काम कर रहे हैं जिसमें आप लोगों को बिहेवियरली स्मूथ एंड एक्सीलेंट बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. So there is no doubt that we know how to become a better personality, but we don't want you to become rigid, but we also want you to keep certain safeguards and precautions. हम चाहते हैं कि आप जटिल मत बनिए, पर ऐसा भी मत बनिए कि आप बड़ी बड़ी गलतियां करते बैठे. साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट जिस दिन देते हैं आप, तो आपका एक बिहेवियर वहाँ पे आपको मालूम है ड्यूरिंग साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट, दैट इज टैट वैट SRT SDT. जब आप लिखते हैं, when you sit there you feel nobody is watching me, I'm sorry, no it is not so. There is a psychologist who is, or the other people who are around there who are also looking at you in general way. They are not watching you badly, but they are watching you observationally. वो आपको ध्यान देखते हैं. आप में से कई लोग नकल करने की आदत होती है, उसको पकड़ते हैं. They identify people who are always copying. There are many people who are more bothered in looking others copy. It is very easily picked. ये एग्जामिनेशन हॉल की तरह, they are very easily identifying the people who are copycats. Now that is poor character, very poor character. So when you do all that while doing your test, you don't mind your business. अपने टेस्ट पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, इधर उधर देख रहे हो, that also speaks volumes. So they identify that. They see there are people who are talking, whispering. They don't like that because that is also against discipline of the test. जो टेस्ट हो रहा है उसके अनुशासनहीनता के तहत आता है. ये देखते हैं कि आप लोग नकल की पद्धति रखे हैं. Second, they also watch how are you writing in that. Are you like कई लोग after writing they turn out and then they write. Sometime if it is noticed, it is taken as cheating. Naturally it should be. उन्होंने कहा है जितना कर लिया, पीछे मत जाओ. अब आपने करा नहीं, फिर बाद में मौका मिला वो बीच के टाइम का, तो आप वापस चले गए उसमें लिखने. इट इज़ अनकॉल्ड फॉर. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. It is not required. But if you do it deliberately, they identify that you are ill-disciplined. You are by habit a cheat, a liar, a disobedient person. Because when they have told you that you will do and you will keep forward and you don't have to do anything more, that is it. Next, don't cancel things. First, once you write story, don't try to cancel and write another one. One big error. Why? Because if you are doing so, you are subduing the first thought. आप पहले वाले विचार को दबा रहे हो और दूसरे संशोधित विचार को सामने ला रहे हो. They always want your first thought in everything, whether it is story, VAT, SRT. तो कट्टम कट्टी गलत. Next, one more thing, don't cancel anything. Please don't cancel. Now, one more thing. One more thing is, when you want to correct something which is a spelling mistake or a grammar mistake, don't scrabble it black. Just make a light correction and do the correction on the top. वो चलेगा. बट ये मत करिए कि उसको काट के बिल्कुल फाड़ दिया पेपर या काला कर दिया. Now this shows that you are hiding some fact. Changing your words, writing anything and then saying something else, this is all switching mind. Stable mind की पहचान नहीं है, double mind की पहचान है. It speaks of double mind, so don't do that. Next, when they make you do, there are many people, the moment they see a picture, as they have practiced in different coachings or whatever it is, the moment they see a picture, backbenchers, are you listening? I hope. So moment they see a picture, they behave as if they have, oh, this is the question, oh, I saw the same picture. So their behavior shows, their hurry shows. वो जिस प्रकार से जल्दी से देखते ही लिखने लगते हैं, जबकि अभी अनुमति मिली नहीं. They are not been allowed to start writing. The speed with which they write speaks enormous that they have practiced this before, or probably they are in a different, they are trying to rush up things. We expect you to be cool, calm, and write coolly. The moment you see the picture, think twice, thrice, 4 times, whatever the entire plot. And once they say start writing, then coolly start writing and write fluidly. They give you 3 minutes to write. 3 minutes is enough to write around 80 to 100, 110 words. 3 मिनट का पर्याप्त होते हैं कि आप 80 से लेके 110 शब्दों कहानी में लिख सकते हैं. इसी तरह वर्ड में आपको कितने समय दिया जाता है? 15 सेकंड. चलिए सर को ऊपर नीचे करने को जोड़ लें तो 12 सेकंड मिलते हैं आपको लिखने के लिए. In that time, if you are able to write a sentence of 5 to 6 words, good enough. आप लिख सकते हो और लिखना भी चाहिए और लिखते जाना चाहिए. आपको उसमें हड़बड़ाना नहीं चाहिए. चलिए एक में लंबा हो गया तो दूसरे में छोटा कर लीजिए, पर लिखते जाइए. सब में अपने विचार प्रकट कीजिए, हड़बड़ाइए मत. दिस इज समथिंग विद दे एक्सपेक्ट. सो इन दैट मैं इसीलिए आई ऑलवेज से दैट योर सेंटेंस शुड बी 5 to 6 वर्ड्स, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल यू कैन राइट इन 12 सेकेंड्स. तो वो आप लिखिए एंड यू विल बी एबल टू डू दैट. एंड कूलली लिखते जाइए, पैनिक मत करिए. डोंट स्टार्ट गैस्पिंग फॉर ब्रेथ. कई लोग टायर्ड यार. दिस इज ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर इफ यू डू, they will realize that you are very, very poor in stamina and you don't have the freshness to adopt, freshness to perform on a long term. लंबे दौर पे आप परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएंगे. कुछ लोग जो कम व्यक्त करते हैं उनके लिए टेस्ट बड़ा लाभकारी है क्योंकि वो व्यक्ति कम, पर कुछ लोग जो ज़्यादा व्यक्त करने वाले होते हैं वो ये सब बिहेवियर से नकारात्मक प्रभाव डालते हैं. दे टेंड टू गिव रॉन्ग सिग्नल्स. So we expect you not to do so. Next, once you're done with this SRTs, you keep writing. One SRT done, then write next. That is the way you have to do. Is it clear to you? Yes or no? So do that. And once you're done with the SRTs, remember one thing, don't panic. There are a lot of people who panic in one paper when they write. तो 13 लिखा और 14 उन्होंने छोड़ दिया और 15 जो है 14 की जगह में लिख दिया. They have written 15th response in the place of 14th. Now they spoil their entire test. Don't do that. Be calm. अपने बिहेवियर को शांत रखिए, स्थिर रखिए, एकाग्र रखिए. Keep it concentrated, keep it relaxed and you will do well. Then keep writing all the SRTs. Once it is done, then they will give you SDT. SDT means they will give you standard time of generally 10 minutes. And then you are supposed to write on different aspects. 4-5 lines on parents' opinion, friends' opinion, teachers' opinion, self opinion. अगर आप working हैं तो boss opinion, senior, colleague. They may have additional parts also. पुराने time में enemy opinion भी पूछते थे. Earlier time they used to ask about enemy opinion also. So be ready with all this. Why you want to join army also they used to ask. Whatever you write, once it is done, then automatically 10 minutes you will get. So write, you don't have to write an essay. You have to write just 4-5 lines in each so that you can express yourself. But that should be done within those 10 minutes. And be chill, relax. Keep the same spirit of your face, liveliness till the very last. As I have told you, आपका behavioral जब टच शुरू होता है वो इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं, ध्यान से सुनिए. And whatever they do, do it properly. Remember the armed forces expect you to listen instructions carefully and adopt them very nicely. ये बहुत important है. पूरी चीज़ जो टेस्टिंग है वो इंस्ट्रक्शंस बेस्ड है. तो अगर आप इंस्ट्रक्शन सही से पकड़ेंगे और सही से बोलेंगे अच्छा होगा. So do that. And once you are over with all, then you relax and come out. And don't get panicked. How was your test? How was this? There is nothing like how it is. Just chill, go out, have your tea, coffee, whatever is being served there, and go to your barracks. I strongly propose to everyone that after every test, don't discuss your test. It only spoils your mind frame. What you have done is done. And while you concentrate, if you will be cool and calm, you will be able to write freely. And don't look here and there. There are some people who rush up and finish and they make you panic. मुझे याद है एग्जाम्स में अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि कुछ लोग जल्दी जल्दी लिखते हैं और ख़त्म कर लेते हैं और वो दिखा दे गो अवे एंड अगर 5-6 दोस्त ऐसा करने की बिहेवियर दिखाते हैं तो व्हाट हैपेंस, यू फील कि मुझे भी जल्दी कर रहा है. नो, वैसे वहाँ पे छोड़ नहीं रहे आपको, बट स्टिल सम पीपल कीप द पेन डाउन वेरी अर्ली. डोंट डू दैट. डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू. Reread your story, reread your word if you get that extra time so that you can correct whatever you want to. And just be relaxed and composed. If you are not a thief, if you are not trying some parameters, if you are not trying something unoriginal, then why will you rush up? Why will you panic? अगर आप चोर नहीं हैं, अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई मापदंड नहीं है, अगर आप नेचुरली लिख रहे हैं तो आप क्यों जल्दी करेंगे, क्यों गलती करेंगे, क्यों हड़बड़ाएंगे. सो ये बात याद रखिएगा. एंड दिस बिहेवियर विल हेल्प यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद.